Before previous lecture, we have took the idea of what is mean by atherosclerosis, what is mean by arteriosclerosis, get clear with the difference between atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis, pathological, what is the pathological situation of atherosclerosis, what are the causes of atherosclerosis. So these are the environmental or physical causes, but now we are exactly entering into our subject or core part of our this academic syllabus study, that is pathophysiology, and the first topic or first disease we can say, that is inflammatory process leads to the disease, that is atherosclerosis. And we have reached here at the discussion of pathophysiology of atherosclerosis. So which types of operations done, how atherosclerosis proceeds, and what are the atherosclerosis effects on the physiology of our body, that is pathological effects, we can say changes on the physiology of our body. It collects and it's came conclude into the pathophysiology of atherosclerosis. Okay, so first you should have to know during this academic year in biochemistry subject we are going to study side by side carbohydrates, in which lipids, fats. Okay, so during this we have malolactic pathway or the cholesterol synthesis. During study of atherosclerosis, go through this because it will collect you to the clear your concept of what exactly the what is meant by real, what is meant by very large density lipoproteins, low density large density lipoprotein, what are they, what is the relation of their with fat, exactly how oil converts oil to fat. It will clear your idea what is the role of fat we have taken during the causes of atherosclerosis. So here what are the effect of fatty substances on the atherosclerosis or how they lead the atherosclerosis. Okay, so generally in liver what does very low, it's important, that is in liver, this is done into liver, very low density lipoprotein get converted into low density lipoprotein, fatty, they remove fatty acid plus cholesterol, and due to this what happens, density get increased, what density of that respect to the local tissues. Okay, it means there is an accumulation of fatty substances. Okay, so low density lipoprotein enters into the endothelial tissue. But where are endothelial tissue located? We have discussed in previous lecture, that is during the artery, that internal cells. So we can call that type of tissue the endothelial tissue. Okay, and it results into extracellular matrix if it gets oxidized. What does low density lipoprotein gets oxidized and it is the oxidative low density lipoprotein. I will repeat it, oxidative low density lipoprotein. Due to this what happens, this is the main cause of inflammation. Which inflammation? That is atherosclerosis, which we are going to study. Okay, due to and its signals. You know, we have studied the feedback mechanism, positive feedback, negative feedback. Here what happens, due to this inflammation, it signals to the WBC, that is and it results for their formation of monocytic part of WBC. Okay, you have known that. So this enters into the arterial wall and it transforms into the monocyte into the macrophages. You have studied in 11th or anatomy, that is monocytes can be formed into macrophages. So how would it convert due to the entering into arterial wall and get transformation and it results into the formation of macrophages. What is the function of macrophages? Macrophages engulfs the foreign bodies, cellular debris. Okay, So it results in the moderate low density and get attaches to whom? Macrophages. Moderate low density lipoprotein attach macrophages, and due to this what happens? The scavenger receptors and apolipoprotein, they are responsible for the engulfation or different engulfation properties of our body. Scavengers, but not avengers. Okay, these are attack on the foreign body, just like Avengers attacks. Okay, so they attack and engulf to the foreign bodies and try to healing the immunity. But and sometimes they can the structure of antibody, epitope, paratope. Okay, sometimes they attack the internal part of body and this results the number of anaphylactic or allergic diseases. Okay, so exactly correlated to what happens with the macrophages. Macrophages are supposed to remove cholesterol, but supposed to remove cholesterol by use of a high density lipoprotein. But too much excess cholesterol, if they work of them is remove cholesterol, but if there is excess cholesterol, they can't remove it properly, and it causes the macrophages to enlarge and fill with lipids. What happens? The role of macrophages to remove cholesterol, but if there is excess cholesterol due to the smoke, due to the fatty intake of fatty substances and excess formation of cholesterol, you can, if you have seen the Maillard pathway formation of cholesterol, you will get this idea. And if they get macrophages enlarged and filled with the lipids, it results converts into the macrophages. Okay, the macrophage lipid Langdon functions. This is important. Lipid Langdon functions. Due to this what happens? Its form into the cholesterol becomes like tube. Due to that cholesterol, what happens? Disturbances to the arterial walls takes place and plaque get formed. We have studied in the definition of doing clearing the concept of the due to plaque formation. What happens? There is a domain of arterial wall takes place. And this is the exact atherosclerosis. Okay, with the when we thinking about the virtue of the anatomy of the arterial wall, what happens exactly? You know the tunica media, tunica interna. It is the internal internal wall of the artery. Tunica media middle thick. Tunica intima is a thick. Tunica media is a thick middle. And tunica externa is the outermost part of the arterial wall. Okay. So what happens during the atherosclerosis? Tunica intima creating a pool of cholesterol. Pool of means pushes or pull, and due to this what happens? Due to this cholesterol pool takes place, we call this pathological condition that is strict, but strict. And due to this, and next what happens with the tunica? Tunica media is a thick layer. Tunica intima is a thin layer. Okay. And what happens? There is a release cytokines. Cytokines are the proteins. So what is the role of this? Help with the immunity. Okay. Within macrophages, release the cytokines within the due to that cytokines, macrophages get activated and get the impulse. Okay. So this is the pathophysiological operations of exact processes takes place during the study of the atherosclerosis or formation of atherosclerosis. So at every stage we will stop the atherosclerotic situation, and if it leads, it is the severe to the our body. Okay, so we have gone step by step to the atherosclerotic pathophysiology. I have just enumerated in the just like a cycle way, but you should have to explain it during your theory paper. So by using it, go prepare your own sentences in points 1, 2, 3, 4 by taking some, for example, by taking first real conversion of real to real in you should have to do one line. Okay, and it should be written in the step by step. You cover all of this one, you will get full mark. Okay, so we have covered each and every topic related with the concept of atherosclerosis, causes and pathophysiology. Okay, let's we will study next the treatment of the pathophysiology. Thank you.